video.
Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. In today's video, we're going to the canyons, I believe.
Probably gonna do some drifting, maybe canyon runs.
Canyon runs, that would be sick. Hopefully we can do that.
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and get started though. Let's go ahead and go.
We're just waiting on Nick to give us a call, then we'll let y'all know.
Alright, well, and then we'll go.
Yeah. I wish you would find your chill. We legit just came to LA and bought an M3. You know how crazy that is? Nah, no, bro. No, you telling me the engine was solid.
The engine was solid.
It didn't overheat.
Something wrong with suspension and it needs brakes. For
and
sure
the AC, I just texted him, he said it just needs a recharge.
That's probably what it is.
It was fully assembled.
That's probably what it is.
So that's perfect. So you guys know before my channel does, should I wrap it the same color as my car? I don't know. Like, let me know, guys. I think it'd be
I want to do at least a video trying to restore the paint first.
Yeah, we'll see how that goes. If it comes out really good, we'll think about it.
We'll see. Anyway, if you guys haven't seen the other video, this is kind of what the car looks like. Nothing crazy. It's a giveaway car. Just a nice little convertible M3. Nothing crazy. I don't know if these are reps, but we're gonna try to make this thing as perfect as possible. But let's get going. Alright, guys. We're about to head up to the canyons.
This guy. Finally, bro.
What's up, bro? What's up, man?
Are you ready or no?
I'm not ready to die.
Hit this canyon.
Alright.
I think it's good.
Oh my goodness.
Behind the scenes, bro.
Behind the scenes right here.
Like this, look. I'm ready. Was the flames cool yesterday?
Dude, it was so just like
I just like let it go past 2,000 RPM.
flames right there. That had to be flames. Oh my god. How are you gonna drift with the steering wheel?
I know. I don't know. I've never tried it, but maybe we could attempt it today.
Dude, that's crazy.
He's laughing because I have the GoPro in my mouth, guys. A lot of people ask me, like, how do you mount the GoPro? It's literally in my mouth. Because it's like perfect height.
Oh, dude, this thing is crazy.
Damn.
Sounds so good.
Bro, funny story is I took my friend for a ride in the canyon once,
Really?
and he threw up, bro.
Are you serious?
I'm not even kidding. In my M3, not in there. Like I had a
Outside?
bag, thank God, bro. I had a bag in the back seat, and he's like, bro, I think I'm gonna throw up, and there was nowhere to turn out. Like it was a really
Yeah.
weird canyon, so he threw up in my car, bro. Funny story.
Throw up in your car. I won't do it. I won't do it. I like this kind of stuff. Jeez. No way. Oh my god.
Was it shooting flames?
Baby. Oh, it's crazy. How are you, John?
Dude, it's so loud. It's sick, dude.
Crazy. Look, we met another homie. What's up, dude?
Oh my god. Dude, this is sick.
For real? Yeah, came back. How are you? What's up, dude?
Dude, this spot is crazy.
That's right.
Bro, my arms feel like I just got a workout.
Is it fun?
Bro, it's so much fun. Dude, well, I would do this every day if gas wasn't a factor.
I know, dude. I think I already went through all of my gas.
What is this guy
You
doing?
need tires to get back.
He's doing the same thing that you're doing.
Have you ever done donuts, Nor? Huh? Have you ever done donuts?
No.
Oh, no.
Oh god, it's over.
Nor, don't go off that cliff. That's all. Just go that way.
Oh, it smells like burnt rubber. Oh my goodness, guys, this is so sick. Alright, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and take off my lens and start taking some pictures. So I don't know if you guys will get any of that footage. I'll try recording with my phone, but let's go ahead and switch the lenses out.
Be careful, Nor.
Oh my god.
No, you just smoking.
Nuh-uh. No.
Hey, he's captain. That's not his first time. He's captain.
I know, bro. I think Nor plays a lot of too much power there. I don't know, that's about it. I would do more, guys, but you guys know I don't do donuts. Woo! Who recorded that?
I got it.
What is coming out, bro?
Death sentence.
Guys, we made it to the very top. There, dude, that's all I wanted to come up with.
All right, we made it to the top, guys. What do you think, Tia?
It's beautiful.
Bro, it's so crazy up here. It's a little like hazy, but bro, that car is insane. The M3, like straight piped, it's insane. Look at this view, guys. This is what we came up here for.
I bet you this thing is fly the canyon.
Oh my god, what do you think of this view up here, bro?
Bro, it's insane.
Right?
Bro.
This is what we came up here for. What do you guys think? One day? It's a goal. Huh?
It is a goal, man.
Bro,
It's gonna happen.
Bro, the McLaren is goals right
is
there.
goals.
That's
one
freaking
day, bro.
goals.
Huracan first.
Bro, Huracan first?
Huracan first.
I don't know.
I want a Huracan. I love Huracans.
Huracans.
It's not about it.
If you're gonna get a supercar, you gotta get something crazy.
R8, then Huracan, then McLaren. We'll see.
I don't know about that.
I have to think about a house and stuff like that first.
That's true.
Once you have a house, you buy something like that. That's pretty.
Yeah.
That's pretty crazy.
They're out. What?
I guess we're gonna go mob out, but see if we can catch up.
It would have been spectacular.
Right. Let's see. Nora's going on.
Nora's gonna catch up. Look at it. That's the car that crashed.
All right, guys. So Nick is gonna do a flyby real quick. We'll see how it sounds. Hopefully, it'll be sick. His car is so loud, and I'm gone. No, he's not coming back. Oh no. Yeah, he's coming back. That car sounds so good. Bro, oh my god, it makes me want to get an E92 M3 just to straight pipe it and just drive it. Oh, it sounds so good, guys. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this video so far. We're definitely gonna go out to eat. We might do a photo shoot at like some cool locations again. We will see. Oh, here it comes. Bro, that last one was dope.
Let's see if it'll shoot flames.
Dude, it did shoot flames.
I'll try to rev it.
Okay, okay, let's see. Dude, it shot. Alright, I got you.
What did I do? My bad, you're on cold now.
My ears, dude. Bro, my ears.
Did it shoot flames?
Yeah. Oh my god.
And I was trying to make it shoot flames on a flyby, but I couldn't make it happen like the first three.
Yeah, no, the last one I got.
The last one I was like, I'm just gonna like go slow and do it. Yeah. It's hard to time it when it's going fast.
Bro, my ears though.
My bad, you're on the cold.
So, so loud.